Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this error. It's a D-13 Okay, that means the back cover is not up, or it's not pressed, it's not covered properly. So that simply means there are two sensors here. There is one sensor and the second sensor here. So if I press both of them, you're going to hear the machine say 2. You get me? So that error is gone. So I press them. If I leave them, you're going to hear. You can see. So I need to put in the back cover 100%. Fine, which is here. Once I put in that, I don't think we're going to have a lot of stress after that. So when you put the back cover properly, it does fix that error, because this presses these two sensors to stop. So I'm gonna try that. Try it. Sorry about that. Let me put it, then after that I'm gonna come to you guys and see what really happens or happened. Okay, I'm busy covering it. Just to be aligned nicely to get the best results. Okay. Oh yeah, sometimes people as well. You can hear that. You hear that because I tried to touch it, so but now I have to take out the power cable. Getting this cover nicely, properly. Okay. I put it on, but it's not that tight, so let's switch on the machine and see what will happen. Let's see. You can see that error, I think, is gone. Let's see. So we have a different error now. But that, let me press this. Okay, we have a different error. So that one for the back cover is gone. So if I take it out, you're gonna see I'm gonna also face another error. Get me? I've taken it out. Okay, I've taken this out. Okay. And then switch off the machine. Then I switch on the machine. So the cover was not put in. You can see it's a 13. It's 13 dash dash. So also it gives you this. Understand? So that should be something to look at, guys. Once you're fine with that, then everything's gonna be okay. So yeah, well, I think that helps. Hope to see you in the next video. So the sensors, you saw the sensors to touch on to fix that. Let me see. You can hear that. The sensor is gone. We don't have any error no more. But unfortunately, I cannot take you because I'm using the phone. Let me do this. I think this way you're gonna see nicely. Okay. I'm gonna try to close the back cover. Okay. I want you to see that error gone. You can see the error. I'm gonna press. I'm sure it's not that clear, but at least you can see the error. Let me take out the papers. A bit of it, yeah, you can see it. So I'm gonna press here. I press. Yeah, I press those two buttons and it's gone. When I leave them, the sensors, it comes back. Yeah, okay. That's the only issue. You can see it's gone. Let me try to do other stuff. Now we have a different error, not the same error. This is a different error. You get me? So when we fix, we're fixing something else, not the first one. So if I switch off the machine, that's when it's gonna pick up another error. Yes. So that error is a different error, of which we can look into also. Okay, that could be something else. Okay. Yeah, guys, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. You see, when I clear, because I left it out that back door, it's gonna show me this error again. D-13 9. Okay, well, sure, guys. I'm gonna, oh no, I shouldn't switch off the machine. I will. I wanna do something else. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. So I have many errors to work on this machine. Once I win, I'll be very happy. Yeah, there's some setups I have to do for the hook. Also, my machine doesn't pick up a couple of papers. Yes. Yeah, no, thanks.